Okay, in the previous example, we were looking at simple interest, and for that one, we used this formula here on the left. For the next problem, we're going to use compound interest. Now, compound interest means that the interest actually compounds yearly. The compound interest formula is equal to the amount of the loan and the investment is equal to the principal times 1 plus the rate, all to the power of t. Let's have a look at that in action. So in this example, we're told that $12,500 is borrowed. 7 years, alright, is the time. 15% is the interest, and it's compounded annually, so you have to use compound interest. The first thing I always do is write down the formula. A is equal to P1 plus R all to the power of t. Then I write in the information that I actually know. So A, we're trying to find out, who knows? That's what this question here is asking us to find. P is equal to 12,500. That's the principal that we started with. The rate is equal to 0.15. Remember, 15% is 0.15 in decimal. And time is 7 years. So we've got all the information we need. Now let's just rewrite this formula, just filling in the things that we know. 12,500, so we don't know A, so we'll just write that there. 12,500, 1 plus 0.15, all to the power of 7. So if we come across here to our calculator, and we just look at our thing, 12,500, bracket, 1 plus 0.15, and then we have to use this button here, and the time was 7, and we hit enter. So the principal, sorry, the actual amount of the loan will be is $33,250.20. So A equals $33,250.20. So that's the actual amount, alright, that the loan is, if you didn't pay off anything. So how much interest is charged? Well, we have to get the original the original amount and take it away from the new value of the loan. So as you can see, compound interest means that the amount you're paying back goes up very quickly. Alright, so we just do 33,250, just to round it off, take away 12,500. We should actually do it correctly. We'll do it to 20 cents as well. I forgot that 20 cents there. 12,500. Put that in our calculator. Now we can always just go back up and hit enter, and it's actually 0.248, so it'll be a bit more accurate. 12,500 was the original amount. Hit enter. So our actual amount is 20,750. 20,750 and 0.2. So that's the amount. You could even make a statement. In fact, you should. Interest charged is 20,750. Just to give you an indication about home loans and personal loans, 15% is not an overly unusual amount or interest rate for a small personal loan of 12,500. So this would be relatively accurate. So next time you want to buy your car, it's a much better decision to save up the 12,500 rather than borrowing it from the bank, because you'll end up paying $20,000 extra just because you borrowed the actual money.